top 3 best brokers for ETFs. ETFs have become one of the most powerful tools for investors. They give you instant diversification, low costs, and exposure to entire markets with a single trade. But here's the truth, not all brokers make ETF investing equal. Some give you free trades, others offer advanced research, and a few stand out with specialized features. Today, we're ranking the top 3 best brokers for ETFs. By the end, you'll know which one fits your strategy. Number 3, Vanguard. We start with Vanguard, the pioneer of index funds and ETFs. If your strategy is all about low-cost, long-term investing, Vanguard is a natural choice. Their platform gives you access to more than 80 proprietary ETFs, many with some of the lowest expense ratios in the industry. The biggest advantage, no commission fees on Vanguard ETFs. You're buying directly from the source, with funds that are trusted worldwide for retirement and long-term portfolios. The trade-off? Vanguard's trading platform is very basic. It's designed for investors, not active traders. So if you want advanced charting or rapid execution, this isn't the place. Who's it for? Long-term investors. If your focus is on building wealth slowly with the lowest ETF costs possible, Vanguard is a perfect match. Number 2, Fidelity. Next, we have Fidelity. Fidelity has become one of the most competitive brokers for ETF investors, offering commission-free trading on all ETFs, not just their own. That means you can buy funds from iShares, Vanguard, SPDR, and more, all with 0 commissions. The biggest advantage? Breadth and research. Fidelity gives you access to over 2,000 commission-free ETFs, plus some of the best research tools in the industry. Their screeners let you filter by expense ratio, sector, risk profile, and performance, making it easy to build a tailored ETF portfolio. The downside? While ETF trading is free, Fidelity's margin rates are higher than competitors like Interactive Brokers, and their platform can feel a little overwhelming for beginners. Who's it for? Investors who want choice. If you want access to virtually every major ETF on the market with powerful research behind it, Fidelity delivers. Number 1, Charles Schwab. At the very top is Charles Schwab, and for ETFs, they take the crown. Schwab offers over 2,000 commission-free ETFs, including their own line of ultra-low-cost funds. Some of their ETFs have expense ratios as low as 0.03%, making them among the cheapest in the world. The biggest advantage? Flexibility and trust. Schwab's ETF select list helps investors quickly find high-quality, low-cost ETFs across sectors and asset classes. Their platform is also beginner-friendly while still offering depth for more advanced investors. The only drawback? Schwab's international ETF selection is smaller compared to Interactive Brokers, but for US-based ETF investing, they dominate. Who's it for? All investors. Beginners get easy tools and curated lists. Intermediate traders get breadth and 0 commissions. And long-term investors get Schwab's trusted brand and rock-bottom ETF expense ratios.
Final recap.
So here's the lineup. Vanguard is the best for long-term investors who want direct access to the lowest cost ETFs. Fidelity is the go-to for investors who want maximum choice and deep research. And Charles Schwab earns the number 1 spot with its massive selection, ultra-low fees, and user-friendly platform. ETFs are one of the smartest ways to build wealth. With the right broker, you can lower costs, diversify faster, and grow your portfolio with confidence. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. This video and all the content on this channel are for informational and opinion purposes only. They do not constitute financial, health, or professional advice.